Hi and welcome back to the Freshfield Fitness YouTube channel, here with another 5 minutes of daily Tai Chi that you can follow along at home. It's easy, it's simple, but really effective exercise to keep you moving, to keep your muscles strong, and just to keep you active. So let's get started. Okay everybody, standing in a neutral stance, we are gonna warm up first of all, so shoulder rolls, keeping everything well within your comfort zone, keeping all the movements relaxed, just feel your own flow, do what you can and just enjoy your body and your movement. Let's knee bend into horse stance. Sinking the body weight into the floor, keeping the posture tall. Hip circles. And taking a big stretch high to the ceiling, inhale. And exhale as we lower the hands. Let's repeat that a few times. Today we're going to use a variation on one of my favourites. Archer draws the bow and shoots the arrow. Starting by taking our hands high, you want to turn your palms to the ceiling and draw these hands down in front of the chest with our fists. Next, adding a step to the side and a turn of the waist so that hand goes behind you, returning and sinking into a deeper horse stance. This time holding the horse stance and moving the arms to cross hands. We're going to make our arrow by pointing our finger and thumb and shoot that arrow over to the side that we stepped to, moving into side bow. Lots of focus on the shooting arrow, but then we want to change our focus, move over to side bow and push that hand in a semicircle down. And that's our full move, so we're going to repeat that a few times. Progress by deepening the horse stance and sliding and transferring lots of body weight over from one side to the other. Finishing off with a lovely breath in and breath out, stretching high and relaxing down. Thanks for joining me today. I really hope you've enjoyed the session. Remember to subscribe. Bye.